Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Sign into your Google account and open Merchant Center. Once done, upload a fresh product feed CSV or connect your inventory API so your SKUs appear. Make sure images meet size and content rules and add alt text for clarity. Link the Merchant Center to your Google Ads account, set basic tax and shipping defaults, and choose the target country so the AI has accurate context to optimize listings. Once the feed is live, enable the shopping AI features and choose clear optimization goals like conversions or ROAS. You should map critical feed attributes, title, price, GTIN, brand, and description, so the model understands products. Then configure bidding strategy and performance targets, and provide audience signals or first-party data to guide personalization. Monitor initial recommendations the AI surfaces. If it suggests title tweaks or category changes, approve selective edits so the system learns what drives clicks and conversions. You now launch a short live campaign to validate the AI's choices and watch metrics like CTR, conversion rate, and cost per conversion. Make adjustments. Lower bids on poor performers, refresh creatives or titles the AI flagged, and patch feed issues the system reports. Once performance stabilizes, scale budgets gradually. If listings get disapproved or data mismatches appear, take corrective action, fix the underlying feed error, and then request reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.